Yeah. Bella, you getting up to go to the toilet? Come on, big sleepy head. Come on, go on toilet. Come on, up, out from under the teddy. Out from under the teddy. No, hang on. Something's not right here. Under. How come you're in the teddy? Bella, what are you doing in the teddy bear? Come on. See, the teddy's giving birth to you. Come on. It's not messing. Bella, come on. Come on. The teddy giving birth to you. Come on. Come on, Belly. Come on. You stuck? Hang on. Wait. Hang on. I think she might be kind of stuck. Ah, yeah, Lara, look. She went in one end. She's actually stuck.
She went in one end and got caught at the other?
Well, she went in the tail end and she's stuck in a leg.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I swear to God.
We're all the way through.
We're trying. No, I'll have to cut her.
Not bring the whole teddy up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She got in that end.
Yeah. Hello.
She can't get out.
Oh, you can't get out. Can you not get out?